Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'll be going over how to password protect any Word document that you created. Before we begin, like this video, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and let's just jump right into it. So why would you want to password protect a Word document? Well, maybe there's critical information that you don't want people to see and you just want it to be for your eyes only. So that's why I'm here, to show you how to do that. So what you want to do is go to type here to search, at the bottom, type in Word, and open it. You can create a new Word document if you want. I'm just going to pick a template. I'll create this one. This can be password protected. You can password protect any Word document. One you created, a template, anything like that. So right here we have a template of a resume. I don't want people seeing my experience. If someone hopped on my computer and they saw my name, if they saw my website, all that good stuff, they saw my email, my Twitter, they don't need to see all that. So to password protect, what you want to do is click on File, click on Info. I'm already selected on Info. Click on Protect Document. Control what types of changes people can make to this document. Click on that. Click on the second one down, Encrypt with Password. So here we go. It says, caution, if you lose or forget the password, it cannot be recovered. So just like it says, if you password protect this document or any document, and you forget the password, there's no way of getting back into it. So just remember the password that you created, write it down, memorize it, save it somewhere. So I'm going to use the word password, which don't ever do that, ever. I'm going to hit OK. You have to re-enter the password. Hit OK again. So once this goes yellow, that means you protected it successfully. I'm going to save as. I'm going to save it to my desktop so I know where it's at. Desktop right here. Save. Right here it is. If I double click it, it's going to ask for that password. So PS Word. Quick note, excuse me. I don't use password as my password on anything. And again, I suggest you don't do it either. It's too easy. This is just for video purposes. Hit OK. Right there it is. Document opened. So that's how you password protect a Word document. You can do the same thing for Excel spreadsheets, for PowerPoint documents, all that good stuff. So yeah, that's how you keep people away from your important files. I hope this video helped. Give it a like if you plan on protecting your files from now on. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. Subscribe. It's free. Subscribe. Like. But anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video.